Hello guys, hello. Oh my goodness, so mad. Hello, hello guys. Hello guys, hello. I hope you guys can hear me, and we'll go to the last room straight away toward the charts. Try to understand certain levels, and we'll see which way. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, so mad. I don't know what is happening. Hello guys. Yeah, I think everything is fine right now at the moment, and we'll go to the chart straight away. Try to understand the certain levels. I'm leaning bearish right now at the moment on shorter term time frame. I'm looking for this blue line or maybe this purple line as well toward low levels. We have quite a bunch of liquidity on downside. That could be the reason for the market to go down. These lows, all of those lows could be the reason for the, and this low as well could be the reason for the market to go down in this morning session, which is 9:20 right now at the moment. So market will open at 9:30, and in the New York opening session we have a news at 8:30, which was like 1:30 in a London time, and this one, the core PPI, which is out. I have not refreshed it, I don't need to, but it was this news Thursday 14th of August. So we have this news which is out. Because of this news, we have seen this price action from the market aggressive to go down the side because of the news, and I'm anticipating this morning session continuation toward downward side from the market toward these lows. Or this is what it is. I'm more of like looking into right now. This is the 4-hour time frame fairly gap high and the weekly high as well. This is the already quite a strong level of I would say resistance right now at the moment. Possible from here roll down toward low levels, which is we are anticipating maybe could go just toward upper side, show rejection from this range, then go toward low levels. We will be looking for shorter term time frame like low levels on a chart to from the market to go down from here toward low levels. This is what it is. I'm in a more of like concern thinking about from the charts right now at the moment. So if you watch out right now, try to understand the market overall, just on a bigger picture time frame. This is a 4 hour. We'll start with the daily time frame on a project. Okay, for example, let me give you more of like a bullish case scenario from in a short term time frame as well on 1 minute time frame that may play out, which is also we have to consider the the possibility from the market like to be bullish from here. Is the reason is overall it is bullish on charts. Overall it has been quite bullish going all the way toward upper side from here, and it has knocked the previous all-time high as well, create another all-time high. Late in the night, market has shown aggressive downward side price action. This is quite aggressive selling from this range. Considering it was bullish, it should have to continue to be bullish from here, continue to be bullish from here, but it is more of like aggressively went down from here toward low levels. Yes, it is still possible that maybe market has to, because overall we're still bullish. Maybe market has to come down to disrupt all of those lows. And when everyone is bearish right now at the moment, then market aggressively bullish as well, which is possible. I would have been more confident that this price action, this continuation toward upper side may be played out if there would have been a highs very close to each other at this range on charts, and then market to go down and then go up. I would have been very confident that it could be going toward upper side from here, because overall we're bullish. The way it has come down, aggressive selling, I'm anticipating or expecting from the market to continuation toward downward side from here. Right now at the moment, it is still possible that it could be bullish as well from here. In that case scenario, I would be really looking for the market to go all the way toward upper side. This is a 4 hour time fairly gap high, daily high as well. Above these levels, I will be looking for the market to buy toward the previous, to look for the previous all-time highs on the charts. Maybe it could go to 125k or maybe 128k as well from here for the bullish case scenario, ultimate bullish case scenario on a charts. That may play out as well. So we're sitting still doing nothing. I'm leaning more of like bearish right now at the moment. Let's see how it is. It may be bearish from charts. If you watch out, just start with the 4 hour time frame right now at the moment. 4 hour time frame chart. This is a 4 hour time frame fairly gap. We went down a little bit, go toward downside, then aggressively went toward upper side. Now should have to hold this area for bullish case scenario, then be bullish, but it has shown aggressive selling at this range from the charts right now. And I would say that if this is the top, I'm leaning more of like this could be the top on a charts, and we have all of those lows. There is no point for the market to make a retest and then go down. It should have to continue to be bearish from here to go low levels to knock all of those lows on charts. Just on a bigger picture time frame, this is what it is I am anticipating from charts for the bearish case scenario. There is no point from the market to make a retest or rejection then go down. No, it has done what it has to do on upward side, which is like knocking all of those highs. So it has shown aggressive selling at this range, which is already a sign that it wants to go toward downside, and we have all of those lows. I'm not at all confident on all of those lows on charts, and these are the reason for the market to be bearish from here, and it has to be tends to be bearish from here aggressively toward a low levels from here. This is more of like bigger picture type frame. I am anticipating from the charts. If it went toward upper side at upward level or 50% of the 4 out and fairly gap holding this area, I will be looking for bullish case scenario all the way toward upper side. I'm not confident on this kind of price action pick that may not played out. The reason will be, if we can say like that, the reason would be considering the reason, only reason could be on a charts is we have already knocked all of those highs on a charts. Previous all-time high has been knocked by the market, and then we have seen aggressive selling price action from downside by the market, and it could continue to be bearish from here toward lower levels from here. This is more of a like any concern I am thinking about right now on the charts. And if for example, like if this is the top, if it has to go down toward lower levels, if it has to not go down all the way knocking all of those lows, or maybe just one of 15k, maybe just these lows on charts at this area, what it has to do, like this is also very important question, like we should all have to ask from ourselves, like okay, yes, we are anticipating a bearish price action from the charts. Yes, we are anticipating a from the market to go down from here. It went down from here toward low levels. Like how would you think, like how it has to go down toward lower levels from here? This is a low level of the 4 hour time frame failure. I would anticipate that you should have to keep this failure gap open. This is a fairly gap as well, 1 hour time frame, not to go above this high. It will be great if market creating this 1 hour time frame fairly gap, keeping this fairly gap open as well, show rejection from this green line and weekly high as well, and then tends to be bearish from here toward a lower levels. Just on bigger picture time frame, like it will be great if market did not go above this high as well, keeping this fairly gap open and then tends to be bearish from here toward low levels. Then will be considering that on 15-minute time frame, this is a fair value gap. Keep it up. It should have to keep this fair value gap open. If it has to go down, then tends to be bearish from here toward low levels. This is what it is. I am in a more of like concern thinking about from charts on bearish case scenario. For bullish case scenario, we can anticipate a sideways price action from the charts or V-shaped recovery from the chart. From the charts, if it has to be bullish, it should have V-shaped recovery all the way toward upper side and this range. We will be looking for upward levels on the charts right now at the moment. So right now I'm just watching and observing the charts, leaning bearish right now at the moment, looking for a short on the charts. This could be the high, maybe who knows, this could be the high, maybe who knows, this could be the high, maybe who knows, these could be the highs on charts. Market may not go above those highs, and we can say that market can possible that is it is possible that from here market tends to be bearish toward low levels from here, maybe this low and all the way to further low levels as well on charts. this is what it is. I am in a more of like concern thinking about from the charts right now at the moment. Let's see how it played out. We don't know how it is going to be played out, but we're just watching and observing the charts right now at the moment, doing nothing. We can't do I cannot go for a trade right now at the moment because I'm not sure if this if we are bearish right now, like I'm bearish if this is a top one charts. I'm not sure, and I'm not confident on it. It is possible, likely possibility that it is going to go down from here to low levels. I have seen many times, like we usually in a trend following nature, and when market has to be really has to go to downward side, it will create these kind of highs. We will anticipate knocking the local highs and go down, but it did not knock those highs. Just create another low high, then go down. Just to create another high, continue to be bearish from here. This is what it is. I'm just watching and observing this trend on charts, just this trend on charts at the moment, which is going down, which is it means like it should not have to go above the previous high. These are the previous high. This is the previous high. Not to go above this high, this range, show rejection, and then go down, because this is more of like you can say a going down the side projection from charts. We can not deny about that right now at the moment. So this is how it is. Just watching and observing the charts, doing nothing, and we will see how the market will perform on those levels on the projection from charts. This is a 15-minute time for fairly gap as well. We have seen that from the charts right now at the moment. So 15-minute time for fairly gap. I'm anticipating keeping this fairly gap open. Can I go for short? It's 9:31 now. Market is open. So sitting still, watching and observing the charts, doing nothing, and we'll see how it will play out on certain levels. So five, if they would have been like 5 minutes something at this range, I may highlight it. But this is a 5 minute time fairly gap. It's very small fairly gap, by the way. This is a 3 minute time frame, so we're not really doing nothing about that. Let's see. So I'm just anticipating right now at the moment not to go above this high, because we have seen aggressive selling from the charts. Market aggressively going down. This is the previous high. Market did not look at at this point. Market did not go above this high, go down from here. This one going up did not go above the previous high, then go down. Same time, same thing. I'm anticipating could go toward upper side, not to go above the previous high, then go down for this low and maybe these lows as well. 115 500 range approximately. There's a bunch of liquidity at this range I have seen on the charts. Let's see how it is going to be played out. Like, just watching and observing the charts, doing nothing. It's a 9:34 on the house right now at the moment. It's 9:34. Let's see if this is the high, because I'm anticipating that you not have to go above this the previous high, which is this one, then go down. Maybe if this could be it, maybe just go to the upper side at this point, then maybe gone all the way to the upper side, disrupting all of those highs, then go down as well. I will be looking for the market to go for a good risk management short with my real money, but I need confirmation on charts that I'm leaning bearish, looking for lows on charts right now at the moment. But it is very important to know what time you will be entering the charts, how much you will be risking, and let the trade run. Do not revenge trade, do not aggressive trade. I'm not taking that, and it will be good risk management trade, just like that. Yeah, yeah, no, I don't think so. This high could wait. And this point below this high, I'm looking for the market to create a lower high at this range, and then we'll be looking for those lows in play to go downside. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. If not, then I'll be looking for the market to go toward upper side to all of those highs, then show rejection, then go down. This is the second possibility. This is the first possibility. It is also possible that from here as well, this could be the high. From here as well, it could go down. We're just watching and observing the charts, doing nothing. I'm quite sleepy right now at the moment. I should have to go for a sleep after coming back to the gym for an hour, but I did not sleep after coming back from my gym. That's why I wanted to. I like to go to the gym early, like 6, 5. So let's see if market continue to be bearish from here, because overall it is bearish. It seems to me it is bearish. It did not need to like make a retest to this area then go down. It is likely possibility that it could be continue to be bearish from here, and we are already looking for 115 and 500 from this range. But it will be great if market give us a trade opportunity, then we can go for a short. The reason is like this is for example, if market has to respect this trend, this is the high. It should not have to go above this high. Now tends to be bearish for this low, and this level as well. I don't think so market is bullish right now at the moment, and there is no point from the market to be bullish from here at the moment. The way it has shown rejection, the way we have seen aggressive selling, I was considering this high is the local top, when it was more of like it was went down. I was like, from here tends to be bearish for those lows and then be bearish. It went sideways, choppy, and then went toward upper side again, knocked the previous high. Now we have seen aggressive selling after the new all-time high, and there is no point from the market to make a retest then go down. Possible, but likely possibility continuation to go downside. I'm looking for. It is quite boring price action from the market up till now, but at any point we can anticipate or predict from the market it could aggressively rolling down from here toward low levels. We cannot do anything if it aggressively roll down from here. That's why we're just watching and observing the charts right now, doing nothing. Sorry guys, up till now market has shown a complete sideways price action from the charts. It's 10:12 right now at the moment. Sorry guys, up till now market has shown a complete sideways. We still have same possibilities, same probabilities. I'm looking for the market to go downward side from here to this low and this low. Let's see if it has the potential to do that. We don't know if it maybe not, but I'm leaning more of like bearish right now, looking for all of those lows and this low as well on charts. Let's see how it will perform. We don't know. So these are the 5 minute time frame low as well. So let's see. So right now I'm anticipating that now because this is more of like going down, not going above the previous high. Let's see if market has the potential to not to go above this high. This is a 5 minute time frame high as well. From here, continue to be brave for these lows and all of those lows as well on charts. This is how it is. I am anticipating or expecting for the market to do right now at the moment. Same thing we have. This is a 1 hour time frame fairly gap as well on market. So I'm anticipating from here continuation to a downward side. This is a 15 minute time frame high as well. On 30 minute time frame, we have same thing on our charts. I am looking for the market to go to a downward side. Just to let you guys know, this is the previous high on the charts, 15 minute time frame high as well. We're going down. I'm anticipating market should not have to make a retest all the way to this range, not to go there. This is the high, not to go above this high. It could go up, create another low high this range, and then I'm looking for low levels. To this low, maybe this low as well. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. Leaning bearish right now at the moment because overall we're bearish. The wave market has aggressively gone down after knocking the previous all-time high from here. After knocking the previous all-time high from here, we have shown aggressive downside price section from the charts. And this is also 4 out of fairly gap as well. Did not even hold this area as well. So, and we have already knocked all of these lows, local lows. We have left these low not to be knocked off, and these lows as well on charts. These lows and all of those lows, I'm looking for the market to be knocked off in this morning session. Maybe not played out like that. Maybe it did not do like that. It is possible as well. Maybe it just has to come inside to this 4 out and fairly gap as well, which is also possible. This is a 4 out and fairly gap as well. Maybe it has to be there which maybe it has to be remaining at that range on our charts doing nothing, which is also possible as well. We cannot deny this 4-hour time frame fairly gap. This is also a 1-hour time frame fairly gap as well. Let's see if it has the potential to do that. It is also possible that from here could be going down, not to go above the previous high because of this price action is more of like telling us that locally market is going down, which is not to going above the previous high. Same thing I'm anticipating right now, not to go above the previous local high, which is this one. From here, go down, create a local top of this range, and then go down from here toward low levels. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. Just watching and observing the charts, doing nothing. Penchar, sister Boni, Ranukad. I'm just watching and observing the charts, guys, not doing anything. I'm not saying anything because I don't know. I think there's no point to say anything. Let's see if this is the high. From here, market go down. Disrupting this low and this low. This is a shorter term time frame. Quick trade. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. So just looking for this one right now. Okay, sorry, I've done a mistake. This is a more of like bigger picture. This is shorter term time frame. 15-minute time frame. Yeah, keeping this 15-minute time frame gap open, which is, you can say that. 30-minute time frame gap open, you can say that. There is this 1 hour time frame gap as well in here. So yeah, should have to keep this open. It will be great. It will be great if market keep this fair value gap open 1 hour time frame, which is not going above this green line. Basically, 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame as well, like not going above this green line I'm looking for, then go down, knocking all of those lows, this low and this low as well. Just watching and observing, guys, doing nothing actually.
Think and I make you think. But overall, just like not a spot to be stressed out while we're trying to trade. actually rehydrates you almost as well as water. But 5 minutes, first thing in the morning. Obviously, don't look at the sun directly. While outside, I have a morning cup of coffee. It doesn't dehydrate you, it actually rehydrates you almost as well as water. Plus, it improves focus and has a bunch of other health benefits. To set your day off right, ancient Stoics recommended to focus on things that are within your control instead of things outside your control. And modern science confirms this is a helpful morning affirmation before work. I find I'm most productive when I'm fasted, so I get in 1 solid hour of work before eating anything. I set this timer for 6 I have a high protein breakfast, tracked using macrofactor to kickstart muscle protein synthesis after an overnight fast when your muscles will be catabolic. Then I hit the gym and get on with the rest of my day.
So yeah, look at this. It has not really gone down from here. I was just anticipating. I'm leaning bearish. After the 9:30, I'm leaning bearish. Still bearish. It has been this price action. I was anticipating from this range. From here, go down. It went toward upper side. It carried high, another high at this point. From here, I was anticipating these lows, these lows, these lows. It did not went down. Went toward upper side. From this high, I was like anticipating. From here, go down. Did not went down. Went toward upper side. Now it is more of like seems to me it may knock this high, and that high as well. Then at this range, I'll be looking for the market to go for a short toward low levels. It's a 10:29 on the house right now. I'm quite sleepy. After 9:30 opening, I had a quick nap for 10 minutes. I had a quick nap for 10 minutes during my live stream. That's how it is after gym. You should have to sleep for at least an hour to cool down your body, because if I did not sleep at that time after early in the morning after coming back from gym, like, and now at this point, like, I'll be feeling so tired. If for example, like, yeah, this is also a concerning thing to me. If for example market remains sideways at the in this morning session, it not really went down, afternoon session I will be looking for the same thing to go downward side price action from the market. Because I did not find any reason for the market to be bullish from here. There is no reason for the market to be aggressively like bullish for all the way toward upper side. Market has just gone up. This upper side price action has already gone toward upper side. It is more for like to knock all of those liquidities toward upper side, and then look at this aggressive selling from this is more of like smart money who sell at this point from the charts. This is more of like on just on a bigger picture time frame, telling me that this is a swing failure pattern on upward side, and we can anticipate. I'm anticipating a major pullback if it continue to be bearish. I'm anticipating a major pullback all the way toward these lows, and further downward side as well. We can anticipate from charts for the next couple of months. There is no denying about that. It is possible. If this is the local top, if this is a local top, I'm just saying if this is a local top, then major pullback to downward side. We can anticipate that. And the weight has swept all of those highs, all-time high. Everybody's bullish. The weight has shown rejection. This point you can look for go for it. I was anticipating this is the local top initially. Yesterday we took short as well. We got stopped out at this range on a trade for a short. And after that went to all the way to the upper side. This one I took on Monday. After that I did not take any trade on Tuesday. Did not take any trade on Wednesday as well. But it went toward upper side after that. It was very more like sideways at this range. I was still leaning bearish, but eventually gone toward upper side. Wednesday as well, we have seen that afternoon session it has been continued to be bullish toward all-time high, and then late in the night aggressive selling. So it has been complete sideways price action from the market right now up till now from the charts. If you can see, this is a low level of the 4-hour time frame fair value gap as well, and weekly high as well. At this range, I'm looking for the market to go toward downward side. It will be great if market keep this fair value gap open. This is what it is I was thinking about. Like this is a 30-minute time frame fair value gap as well, 1 hour time frame fair value gap as well, 4-hour time frame. We have not really nothing, but I'm anticipating that keeping these fair value gaps open, be bearish from here toward low levels. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. This is what it is I'm looking for right now, and we'll see how the market will perform. So look at these lows. Look at these lows on charts. I'm not at all really confident on all of those lows. Yes, market has not gone down in this session, but I'm more of like in the afternoon session, market has should have to go down, technically speaking. Or yeah, it should have to go down. Yeah, what most of the people would be thinking at this range on charts, like yeah, this is also very important to consider right now. At this point where we're trading right now, for example, at this point, everybody would have been bullish on charts. Everybody would have been profit, and smart money take their profit, close their positions. That's why aggressive selling come into play. Market went down. This range, this is already a level of support. Everybody would have been bullish, looking for upper levels on price action. Smart money knew everybody's bullish. Smart money is selling. Same thing right now as well. I would say that one possibility could be smart money. So everybody's will be bullish on a charts, considering the fact that overall we are still bullish. We have knocked the previous all-time high. We have like quite a bit of hype going on in social media as well. Oh, Bitcoin is going up, 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 up. Considering that we have knocked the previous lows on charts, market would be aggressively bullish from here all the way toward upper side, which is unlikely to me. But you can say that this is a retest toward low levels. The retail trader would be thinking like that. Retest toward low levels, knock the previous lows. It will be bullish from here toward upper side. uh, maybe this could be their psychology as well. The second possibility is and the on social media as well, everybody's bullish. Everybody's saying market is going up, up and up. Smart money knew that, and they will send the price toward low levels from here. This is also a possibility. We cannot deny a possible as well on charts. Yeah, psychologically, I will say that I'm looking for a short. Psychologically, like I'm looking for a short, but what most of the retail trader would be thinking at this point, they would be thinking to buy, huh, or sell. What do you think? Maybe there are two possibilities. Maybe retail trader is scared right now because they was bullish at this point. Market went down. They're not trading. Market went down from there. They was bullish at this range. Market aggressively went down. They could stop out or something because these lows has a liquidity this which has been knocked. This is the retail trader. They are scared, and smart money knew they are scared. They are retail trader is not in on trading, not trading right now, and then they send the price toward low levels, which is possible. The other thing is like uh, um, psychologically, smart money have done aggressive selling at this range after new all-time high, and then they will continue to be bearish, looking for the low levels on charts. This is also possible. I'm I'm leaning bearish right now at the moment. Still, I would say that, but psychologically, retail trader is scared, or second possibility is retail trader is bullish. I think so right now at the moment, and smart money will can take advantage of this. This is a 15-minute time frame fairly cap market has created. 15-minute time frame fairly cap market has created. Oh, I think I should have to finish this last room, guys, and come back in the afternoon session. This is what it is I'm thinking about. In this morning session, I was bullish on or bearish on charts, looking for the low levels on charts. We've seen a couple of scenarios on charts. At this point, I was bearish. This point, I was bearish. This point, I was bearish as well. It went toward upper side. This is a 15-minute fairly gap. Fairly gap. I'm still bearish on charts. We are more of like making a retest to the 1 hour time frame fairly gap, 30-minute time frame, which is a low level of the 4 hour time fairly gap, and this weekly high as well on charts. Quite a level of resistance. You can say that overall we have seen aggressive selling after the new all-time high, and we have these lows on charts. I'm not really confident on all of those lows. That's why at this range on charts, I'm looking for the bearish case scenario on charts, all the way to those lows, and also this low as well. It is possible as well. Second target could be these lows as well on charts. Market could go down toward all of those lows. This is what it is I'm looking for in this session. First possibility, I will be looking for all of those lows, these lows and this area on charts. That's how it is. I'm watching and observing the charts at the moment. So I hope you get to learn something. This was more of like quite boring live stream. I would say that yeah, for some people who are new, who are not into trading, it is very boring live stream. I would say that, and uh, yeah, that's how it is. And I'll see you guys. I don't know, man. So I'll be quite busy at my job tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. Saturday, yeah, and the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday as well. Maybe next Thursday or Friday we'll be doing live stream. In the morning session, we'll do live stream. In the meantime, if I get the time, I will let you guys on Twitter. You can follow me on Twitter. I do most of the updates on Twitter in here. Um, you can follow me in here. Just I'll do most of the updates or whatever I do. Most of the time, I'm quite active on Twitter all the time. So you can follow me on Twitter. You'll get to know that if when we are doing the next live stream. I'll be quite busy at my job. I have to do full time job, one full time, one part time. So that's how it is going on in a life. So this is how it is. I hope you get to learn something, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.